Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Bon Bon puppet. To begin, gather your essential crafting supplies. You'll need sturdy cardboard, plenty of newspaper, and white glue for the main structure. Also, have some stretchy fabric, foam, and wooden dowels on hand for movement. For coloring, prepare acrylic paints in shades of blue, red, white, and black. Finally, make sure you have sharp scissors, a reliable hot glue gun, and various paintbrushes ready to bring your puppet to life. We'll start by shaping Bon Bon's distinctive head. Begin with a crumpled newspaper ball or a styrofoam sphere for the main head structure. Next, craft a separate lower jaw from cardboard, making sure it has a movable hinge. Connect these two pieces with stretchy fabric, allowing for a fun, expressive mouth. Finally, apply several layers of papier-mâché to create a smooth, durable surface, ready for details and painting later on. Now, let's move on to Bon Bon's body and arms. Create the body by rolling a piece of cardboard into a tube, large enough for your hand to fit comfortably inside. For the arms, toilet paper spools or foam tubes work perfectly, giving them a segmented look. Attach small, crafted cardboard paws to the ends of these arm pieces. Once assembled, cover the entire body and arms with 2 or 3 layers of papier-mâché, ensuring a consistent and sturdy form. For the final touches, we'll bring Bon Bon to life with details and paint. Attach small foam or cardboard pieces for the nose, cheeks, and ears. Don't forget the iconic red bow tie and a small button for the belly. Begin painting with a light blue base coat, then add white for the muzzle and eye areas. Use red for the cheeks and bow tie, and black for the pupils, nose, and mouth interior. Add white highlights to the eyes for that signature sparkle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.